we always look at nature as a source of inspiration. AirMesh's very lightweight structure replicates a neural network, its complexity and efficiency. The foam is a representation of a traditional Chinese lantern created for the Gardens by the Bay's Mid-Autumn Festival. Our goal was to create as light a structure as possible by spreading the fosses into very thin elements throughout 3D printing. It drastically reduces the use of materials and the entire structure's embodied carbon footprint. For the user, the idea is that the structure matters less. It is about the enjoyment of the surroundings. Behind the outward simplicity of the AirMesh Pavilion, there's a complex and robust structure delivering the experience. We designed a whole new construction system that allows for more adaptable and freeform designs as compared to more traditional space frames that are limited by standardized nodes, bars, and angles. Using 3D printing in stainless steel, each of its bespoke joints is computationally generated, integrating a concealed connection system. That simplifies dramatically the construction sequence, so connecting a node to a bar is akin to assembling one big piece of IKEA furniture. In a sense, we have made an ultra-high performance structure accessible to more people that allows for rapid deployments. What's also great is we have actually managed to achieve zero wastage material in its construction. AirMesh has set the precedent not just for Singapore, but truly for the world on the possibilities of 3D printing technologies in our built environment. This small pavilion has punched above its weight and already gotten the world's attention. We are ready to scale the system to design bridges, long-span shelters, or multi-story spaces to bring across our confidence in this technology and blaze a path for the future of construction in Singapore.